Craftsman T110, 17 horsepower riding mower. So gear selector, speed. That little green thing down there is for the hose attachment. That goes here in this, cleaning the blades with a hose, garden hose. The throttle right there. Go the other side. It's a electric start and the reverse mowing acknowledgement button. The height selector and the blade engagement lever. This is the discharge tube and the bags. I'm gonna open these. There you go. And it's a dusty mess in here. In there. Well used. Boom. Alright. Let's go for a spin. Let's check the fuel. Go here. Whoop. Okay, yeah, we got a bit of fuel there. It's good. And yeah, this is where the air filter sits. So half turn here, lift up, and there's the filter. Put it back. Okay, 1, 2, there you go. Okay, so let's put it back down. Okay, so the cold start, we're gonna set it to choke and step on the brake right there, and then we go here and grab the key, get it to forward, and that's it. Neutral. Right. Lights it on. Alright. Here we go. Craftsman T110, 17 horsepower